हेलो एवरीवन। HPPSC TGT मेडिकल प्रीवियस एग्जाम पेपर 2020 को हम सॉल्व करेंगे अपनी इस क्लास में, राइट। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो आपके पास आया था वो था विच एनिमल इज द सिंबल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ फंड। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी। कॉमन इंडिकेटर ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑफ वाटर पॉल्यूशन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, राइट आंसर। हेमोकोइल occur in option number D is right answer. Sponges are, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए। फ्रेश वाटर पॉलिप इज, आंसर इज हाइड्रा। सेगमेंट्स ऑफ टैपवर्म आर कॉल्ड, आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड। सिंसिस्टल एपिडर्मिस occurs in, आंसर नंबर ए, एस्कारिस। Each foot of ostrich has, option number A is right, snake's leg, option number B is right option. Hyla is a, option number A. Sharks are, option number C is right option. Evisceration is found in, option number A is right answer. The number of moles in 0.64 gram of SO2 is, option number A right answer रहेगा. Which of the following has maximum number of unpaired electrons? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, Fe2 positive. The law of Octavius was given by, option number B is right. XeF2 molecule is linear. At absolute zero temperature, the total kinetic energy of the molecule is, option number C is right. Which of the following is an intensive property? Option number A is right option. The pH of 0.001 m NaOH solution is, option number D is right answer. Carbon is in the lowest oxidation state in, option number C is right answer. The normality of 30 volume H2O2 is, option number B is right answer for this question. The most electropositive metal is, option number D is right answer. Which is not a cyclic compound? Isobutylene. Optica isomerism is shown by butanol 2. Bilstein's test is used for the detections of, so आंसर रहेगा इसका बी, हेलोजेंस की डिटेक्शन के लिए ये टेस्ट हम यूज करते हैं. द कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड लेंथ इज शॉर्टेस्ट इन, तो किस में शॉर्टेस्ट होती है? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, इथाइन. In a simple cubic lattice, the ratio between distance between nearest neighbor and radius of an atom is, option number C. Which of the following is a colligative property? Option number B, osmotic pressure. During rusting of iron, it gets sublimed. The half-life period of a reaction is 100 minutes. In 400 minutes, the initial concentration of 2.0 gram will become, answer is option number third. Purple of cases is colloidal soul of, option number third. Copper is refined by, option number 3, electrolytic method. Bleaching action of SO2 is due to, option number A. Calomel is, option number A. The number of ligands which are directly bonded to the metal ion is known as, option number C, coordination number. Gamexine is the name given to, option number third. Which of the following is most acidic? Option number A, phenol. Which of the following is hypnotic? Option number D. Aniline is purified by, option number C. Hydrolysis of sugar is called, option number C. Plexiglass is a commercial name of, option number A. पॉलीमिथाइल मेथाक्राइलेट, या फिर हम इसको मेथाक्राइलेट भी बोलते हैं. इक्वानिल इज, ऑप्शन नंबर बी ट्रैंक्विलाइजर ये होती है जो मेडिसिन आपके माइंड से रिलेटेड होती है, उनको ट्रैंक्विलाइजर्स हम कहते हैं, यू नो। नेक्स्ट है अ नॉर्मल चाइल्ड ऑफ 12 years of age is most likely to ऑप्शन नंबर ए टू eager for peer approval. If education is made vocation oriented, this will lead to option number B is right answer. The true objective of education is ऑप्शन नंबर ए राइट इसका रहेगा. Who was the pioneer of the thought of pragmatism in the field of education? सी. तो एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड ये क्वेश्चन है, राइट. इससे पहले केमिस्ट्री के थे और उससे पहले आपके बॉटनी के क्वेश्चन थे. ओके. द बेस्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट फॉर ग्रुप इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट इज दैट इट ऑप्शन नंबर सी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ मेटल रिटार्डेशन ऑप्शन नंबर डी. बेसिक एजुकेशन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी. मोटिवेशन इज अ psychological state. When the teacher prepares a teaching plan for the student of his class, then he has to keep in mind the option number D. Right रहेगा इसके लिए. both and A and B are correct. Learning disabilities may occur due to all of the following except option number A is right. Which district has lowest number of the small scale industries in हिमाचल प्रदेश? तो जीके के क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो गए. तो किन्नौर. करंट अफेयर्स से रिलेटेड ये रहता है क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द हाईएस्ट हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट इन हिमाचल प्रदेश? ऑप्शन नंबर डी. रोंगटोंग. कुक्ति पास कनेक्ट्स ब्रह्मपुर विद ऑप्शन नंबर बी. लाहौल. Sittidar is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Kullu. Copra water spring is situated in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Option number A. Bhai Dona Pai was the slogan of which movement in Himachal Pradesh? Pajota. इसका आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Himalayan Hill State Regional Council was established in which year? Option number D. 1946. Which of the following became the 5th district of Himachal Pradesh? Option number D. Who was the first Chief Secretary of Himachal Pradesh? Option number D. None of these. The Himachal Pradesh Private Educational Institutions Regulatory Commissions Act was enacted in which year? Option number A. 2010. Dun Valley is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Option number B. Kunt Bhayog Lake is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Option number A. Agriculture Cooperative Staff Training Institute is located at which place in Himachal Pradesh? Option number C. Sangti. Bilaspur Past, Present and Future book is written by option number D. Anand Chand. Dange is a folk dance of option number D. In a certain code 721 means good college life, 526 means you is good and 257 means life is good. Then which of the following word is used for you? तो यू के लिए कौन सा होगा यूज? 6. ओके. इन दी तो ये रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चन है, आपको देखने से पता चल रहा होगा. इन दी फॉलोइंग नंबर सीरीज हाउ मैनी थ्रीज आर देयर इन विच preceded by an odd number and followed by an even number? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए. There are 41 steps in a temple. In the same time, Surendra comes down 4 steps. Virendra goes up 2 steps. If they start simultaneously and keep their speeds uniform, then at which step from the bottom will they meet? Answer is A. 7th. तो रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चन है ये. He is the mother of B, she is the father of B, and she has 3 children. One of the basis of the information, which of the following relation is correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, none of these. Some boys are sitting in a row and P is 14 from the left and F is 7 from the right. If there are 4 boys in between P and F, then how many boys are there in a row? Answer is D. Which global organization has recently launched the COVID action platform to convene the business community to support for COVID-19? Answer is D. World Economic Forum. World Bank has recently signed an $580 million loan agreement with which Indian state to increase agricultural productivity in its Gram Panchayats. Option number A, Himachal Pradesh. Two tombs of Taramati and Paramati, which were in news recently, are located in which Indian state? तो 2020 के करंट अफेयर्स से ये क्वेश्चन आए हैं, उस टाइम की ये बातें हो रही है, तो इसका आंसर रहेगा सी, तेलंगाना. Ankita Raina, who was in news recently, is associated with which sports? तो ये थे आपके पास टेनिस से रिलेटेड. The recently published book titled Adventures of a Daredevil Democrat narrates the story of which former chief minister? Answer is B. Which of the last Nanda ruler? Answer is B. Padmini was the queen of. Answer is option number D. Battle of Kannauj took place in which year? Option number C. Who was the first Governor General of India? Option number B. Jet stream blows in which direction? Option number A. Perms is a grassland of which country? Option number D. Argentina. Naga Tibba mountain range is located in which country? 85 का आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, नेपाल. तो ये हमारे पास क्वेश्चन आ गया था, विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट ओशन. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. स्मॉलेस्ट ओशन आपके पास ऑप्शन नंबर डी. सूरत इज लोकेटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ विच रिवर? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ताप्ती. Rawat Bhata nuclear power station is located in which state? Option number A. How many times the preamble of Indian Constitution has been amended so far? Option number A. Total number of union territories in India is. Option number C. Which article of Indian Constitution was termed as heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Option number D, none of these. The three-tier system of Panchayati Raj was recommended by which committee? 91 का है ऑप्शन नंबर A. SEBI was set up in which year? 92 का ऑप्शन नंबर B, 1988. Which is direct tax? 93 का ऑप्शन नंबर D, wealth tax. Which is used as a shaving mirror? Option number B, concave mirror. Antonym of capricious is. Option number D. One word substitution for a person who believes that pleasure is a chief good is. तो वन वर्ड इसके लिए रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. माई फादर वॉज टू डैश टू पुश ओपन द हाईवे डोर. सी ऑप्शन इसका राइट रहेगा. Meaning of the idiom to have an axe to grind is. 98 का है ऑप्शन नंबर 2 डी. To have a selfish and to serve. हिंदी के क्वेश्चन है. पायल का संधि विच्छेद है पो प्लस अल. पायल, सॉरी इसका रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी पे प्लस अल। यथाक्रम में समास है, यथाक्रम में समास है ऑप्शन नंबर ए। मध्य का पर्यायवाची है ऑप्शन नंबर ए वारणी। खाक उड़ाना मुहावरे का अर्थ है बेइज्जती करना। मेटामॉर्फोसिस इज सिचुएटेड अंडर ऑप्शन नंबर ए एम्ब्रियोलॉजी। मेज इज आ ऑप्शन नंबर डी टैक्सोन। इंगेस्टिव न्यूट्रिशन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी TMV is option number C. Cyanobacteria is a modern name of option number C. Nutrifying bacteria are option number C. Right answer. A conserved structure is option number C. Incubation period of Plasmodium vivax is option number A 14 days. A crustose lichen is option number A. Ergot is obtained from option number C. Backend disease is connected with discovery of option number A. Chelmidomus shows option number D. A tree fern is option number A. Xylem is a gymnosperm's legs option number A. Vessels. Siphonogamy occurs in option number D. Laminaria is option number D. Apophysis is the capsule of Funalia is answer is B. In a fern sporangium, the number of spores is option number C. Leafy gametophytes occur in option number A. Most plants dwell from option number C. Indusium occurs in option number B. Which one is the earliest land plant? Option number A. Fulgen test is specific for option number B. Protoplasm is option number D. The term plastid was given by option number C. The hereditary vehicle is इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी क्रोमोसोम। पैरोक्सीजोम्स अकर इन पैरेक्सोसोम कहाँ पाए जाते हैं आपके ऑप्शन नंबर बी। रेफिनोज इज आ ऑप्शन नंबर सी। मोस्ट abundant protein in the human body is option number D collagen. Which amino acid is not optically active? Option number A. Cell turgidity is caused by option number C. Force for active water absorption is present in option number C. Critical elements are option number A. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The substrate for photorespiration is option number B. Ferredoxin is a constituent of option number A. Which cell does not respire? Option number D. Respiratory quotient of protein is RQ. ये कितना रहता है प्रोटीन के पास 0.9 ऑप्शन नंबर बी। द शॉर्ट डे प्लांट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी कॉटन। रिचमोंड लैंग इफेक्ट इज ड्यू टू ऑप्शन नंबर डी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्लासेस एग्जिबिट पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म? ऑप्शन नंबर ए। Limbless amphibian is option number D. The outer covering of cartilage is called option number D. Earthworms reproduce primarily by option number B. Cup chewing animals are called? Option number A. In ileum, which of the following is absorbed? Option number B. Pneumotoxic center is present in. Option number A. Emphysema is a. Option number D. Carotid labyrinth contains. Option number C. Osmolar regulation is the function of. Option number A. Cole's fracture is associated with. Option number B. Inominate is. Option number C. Bowman's glands are found in. Option number A. Epinephrine is secreted by. Option number A. Corpus spongiosum is found in. Option number C. Polar bodies are formed during. Option number C. The endometrium is the lining of. Option number C. Division of human egg is. Option number A. Cervical caps are meant for. Option number A. XO type of sex determination is seen in. Option number A. RNA polymerase II is responsible for transcription of. Option number B. Cosmozoic theory was proposed by. Option number A. Connecting link between Annelida and mollusca is. Option number B. Which antibody initiates allergic reaction? Option number B. Several plant pathogens can be controlled by which biocontrol agent? Option number B. A free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixing bacterium is. Option number D. Which is not a tool of recombinant DNA technology? Option number D. Mycorrhizae are more common in. Option number B. And pyramid of number in a grassland ecosystem is. ऑप्शन नंबर ए। तो जो पेपर हुआ था HPPSC TGT मेडिकल का 2020 में, उसमें टोटल आपके पास 170 क्वेश्चंस रहते थे, बट अभी आपके पास 200 नंबर मीन्स 200 क्वेश्चन रहते हैं, 100 नंबर का पेपर रहता है। 200 क्वेश्चन में से 140 क्वेश्चन तो आपके कंसर्न सब्जेक्ट के होंगे, ठीक है। बाकी आपके पास जो बेसिक हिस्ट्री होगी, जीके, रीजनिंग, साइकोलॉजी, इससे रिलेटेड रहते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है अभी का जो आपके पास कमीशन का एग्ज़ाम है और जो पहले हुआ है 2020 में, उसके बीच में। तो इन क्वेश्चंस को करने का क्या रीज़न था कि इससे बेसिक्स आइडिया मिल जाता है कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं, तो आपने इनको देख लेना है, ओके।